Hi, welcome to Maree. I've had a request for some more quick dinner ideas. I'm going to share my tasty, quick Thai green curry. I have it almost every week, so if you'd like to see how I make my quick Thai curry, come with me and let's see. So with our quick Thai green curry today, I'm going to do it with a little bit of chicken, but you can also do it with 100% veggies, which is how we normally have it at home. So this quick dinner idea, you'll have dinner ready within 10 to 15 minutes. So first step is we're going to throw some oil in the pan. So I'm using just a vegetable oil, which is rapeseed, or you can use coconut oil if you prefer. So I'm going to brown the chicken slightly and then remove it from the pan. So I'm just using one chicken fillet because I've got loads of veggies here. So we'll just brown it quickly so it doesn't dry out too much. It's also really good to use chicken thighs in curries, so then you can just throw it in and add everything in and then they won't dry it out. But if you use chicken breast, I always like to cook it then remove it so it doesn't overcook. So to make it super quick as well, I've got a store-bought Thai green curry paste. I love buying this. It's a Blue Dragon one here in the UK, so it's just a Thai green curry paste. It's also suitable for vegans because it has no fish sauce in it and it's only 50 grams. So our chicken's cooked enough and I'm going to remove it so it doesn't dry out too much. So next we're going to add our onions. So I've got one onion that I've sliced and I've got one clove of garlic and some fresh ginger, just one kind of 2 centimetre piece of fresh ginger that I've pre-chopped. So we're just going to fry those for a few minutes. So now we'll add our Thai green curry paste. We're going to add our coconut milk. So I like to only use the thick part of the coconut milk, and then if I think I need it, I'll add the liquid. I don't like my curries to be too runny, and then I slowly add the other part of it. If you don't mind it super runny, you can add all the water. So I'm going to add some red peppers. That's just half a pepper or capsicum. And I've got just 3 tiny little carrots. So I'll add those first because they'll need to soften up. And then I've got some baby spinach, some lime juice, some zucchini or courgette, and some small heads of broccoli. But you can mix and match whatever vegetables you like. The other thing I like to add is some maple syrup. I know it sounds crazy, but it tastes delicious in curries. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoonful. If you didn't want this extra sweetness, leave it out. But it just balances the flavours. So we'll cook that for a few minutes. This is smelling divine. We usually have this for a quick dinner idea during the week. I often buy the curry paste weekly and it's just something you can throw together. I even use frozen spinach or frozen edamame beans if I don't have any fresh vegetables. So we're just using half a juice of the lime. Now we're going to add in these other vegetables. I had quite a large zucchini, so I've just used half and I've chopped it into small pieces. And then just before serving, we'll add the spinach leaves. I don't like my leaves to be too wilted. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more of this water. The other thing you can do with the leftover coconut water is put it into your rice. I did that the other week and it was delicious. Okay, it's looking good. Now we'll throw our chicken back in. If you didn't want to have any meat in it, just add more veggies. Then we're going to add our spinach. So I've just got a handful of baby spinach leaves here. So I'm just going to pop some in there and then I'll add some to the bowl to serve it with as well. All right, just about done. I didn't time myself, but was that 10 minutes? Okay, now we'll plate it up and have a little taste test. I've got some white rice that I've just added to the bowl and I'm going to do a little bit of baby spinach just on the side. And then we're going to scoop out this curry. Looks and smells delicious. So no need for takeaway. You can whip this up in no time. So if you've got any little splashes, I just clean it with paper towel. That's what they do in the restaurants. I think they use a cloth. And then I like adding, just for some decorative touches, some black sesame seeds and some white sesame seeds. And there you have it. My quick Thai green curry. So if you've liked my video today, give me the thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you've got a favourite Thai green curry. I might just do a quick taste test. The chicken's still tender and you've got that delicious spiciness of the curry. Thank you for watching. And I hope you've enjoyed my quick Thai green curry. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video today, share it with a friend, hit the like button, the thumbs up, write a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And don't forget, hit the bell, and then you get notified as soon as I have a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!